Hey guys, Official Phone Rebel here, and I wanted to show you the new Android N update. 10 features in particular that are the biggest in this release. I know it's been out for a while, but I still wanted to make this video. I'm trying to be more active on this channel. So first off, probably the one that is famous about Android N is the fact that now you can do split screen multitasking on any Android N device. Just hold the multitasking button, select the app you're going to be using, even use it in landscape as well. Now the great thing about it is it works with apps that aren't even optimized for it. However, it doesn't guarantee to work very well with them. But hey, you can still adjust it. And it's just really neat that this is built into every single Android phone instead of being pick and choose mostly with Samsung devices. Next up is the multitasking and navigation. So Google went ahead and added a clear all function that's automatically built into every Android N device. Not only that, but if you open up an app, leave it and double tap on the multitasking button, it jumps right into it, which is a really neat time-saving feature. So if you're doing this and actually if you set up a split view with something else, and you exit out of it and you click back on it, it'll take you right back into that view, which is really neat. I really like this one. I've always liked the Android style, but there are now new emojis and they have a new default theme. So they're bubblier, a little bit friendlier, easier on the eyes. And it seems like so many phones have different languages of Unicode, but I really like this one. It works well. So new emojis, they look slightly different. Of course, same old emojis, but new look to them. Not only that, but what you saw about my keyboard was customization. There is now customization for the stock keyboard with themes. Wrong one. So up here you can either put a color background or you put your own image in the background and just type on someone or something, but you can go ahead and choose it over here, even add a border if you like. It's a very nice feature, something I wish iOS had default. But customize your keyboard. So Android N now comes with a Vulkan API. It'll improve the performance of games in particular, but overall the speed of your device. And really I gotta say, you can feel it even in this early stage. Not only that, but there is a new compiler, so when installing apps, you will actually be able to do them on half the space, and it will happen about 75% faster. So performance boosts all around. Not only is there a performance boost, there's a new feature called Doze to Go. So when you're not using your device, it's in your pocket, and you're actively moving, your device will not consume resources in the background. It won't be doing things, checking things until you actually pick up the phone. Then it will go ahead and kick in those features. But in the meantime, it will be saving battery life using the new Doze to Go feature. So not only that, I showed you a little bit earlier, if you lock your device, there is a new raise to wake feature. So similar to iOS, but obviously it happened faster. You pick it up and I think you gotta let your phone sit for a little bit. So when you pick it up, you'll have a monochrome display that'll go ahead and jump on. You can click it, it'll turn to color and begin using it. Really nice. And there is now a quick reply feature similar to that of iOS. So if you go ahead and fold down the notification, you can reply directly from the notification. So very similar to Apple's feature. Do it directly in here and send it off. So notifications now have more expandability, and not only that, but you can hold on them and choose to filter that notification in particular. The settings has received a slight revamp, so it's a lot cleaner, easier to navigate. Things have been kind of shrunk down. Not only that, there's a nice preview in the settings page for each individual setting. So you'll pretty much get a little preview of what's going on with that particular setting. Data, it tells you how much data you used. And you know, it's nice to have without having to go into the sections. You have the information at the ready right there. Also, Quick Center has a very sleek new look. So you have toggles in here that you can preset, but there's a new flashlight one. So activate your flashlight just like in iOS, very, very fast. Of course, expand it with pages, but you can go ahead and hold on them to jump into that section, the full section. But if you just want to get a little mini menu, you click on it, you can use it in here. Very, very handy. So something iOS could certainly use. And Google's answer to iMessage and FaceTime is the new Project Allo and Duo. So you'll be able to use it eventually when Android N releases to get that iMessage feature with all Android devices. Now it's not limited to Android N, it was just introduced with this firmware, but it's going to be killer, basically a huge competition for iMessage on Android supposedly. Also, this is a bonus, but Android N finally supports 3D touch or pressure sensitive displays that do this. You know, the amount of force you apply to the display will trigger different things, and Android N officially supports it now. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Next video, Snapchat hacks on Android. I'm going to be more active here, hopefully. I mean, I really want to get this running. I mean, I love Android. It's really picking up steam, so I want to be with you guys on that, whether you use iPhone or Android. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Peace.